Hi, I'm Tim Gibson, and I want to show you how to unclog a sink naturally. Now, the products we use are products you typically have around the house. We're going to be using baking soda, distilled white vinegar, salt, and boiling water. I want to put some baking soda in a cup, and we want to add just enough water to it when we mix it up that it's as thick as we can get it, but it's still pourable. And this is particularly important if you have standing water in your sink. This will still work, but the thicker the mixture and having it still pourable will allow it to actually work down through that water and get down to the drain. So we'll mix this up and we'll go ahead and pour it down the drain. And then we're going to follow it up with a cup of the vinegar. And you can actually hear this working. The vinegar and the baking soda will actually create a foaming action to work down in there and penetrate and work on those clogs. It also works on just cleaning your pipes, so you can actually do this every so often to keep your pipes clean. Now, once we've let that, we're going to actually let this sit for about 10 minutes to let it work on that clog. And then we'll come back, and I've had some boiling water over here. And in this water, again, we're going to put a cup of salt in here and let this boil and create a brine solution. And then we will pour that down the sink. Okay, and then at this point, again, we're going to wait about 5 minutes and let that set, particularly if it's on a clog. Now, if the clog has not cleared, then we'll go ahead and we'll take another pot of water, put a cup of salt in it, boil that, and pour it down again. So you might have to, for really stubborn clogs, you might have to put boiling water down there a couple of times, maybe 3 times, until that clog is cleared. Once the clog is cleared, then we want to run our hot tap water, and we want to run this for about 10 minutes. And we want to make sure that we clear everything and all the residual cleaners out of there. And that's all there is to it. So I'm Tim Gibson, and that's how to naturally unclog your sink.